Let's explore this tax situation, which involves the taxability of Social Security benefits. So the information appears up top. Sean, who is single, received Social Security benefits of $8,620. He had dividend income of $12,650 and interest income of $2,160. Now, except as noted, those income items are reasonably consistent from year to year. And at the end of 2018, Sean is considering selling stocks that would result in immediate gain of $10,320, a reduction in future dividends of $1,080, and an increase in future interest income of $1,580. So the question asks us, what amount of Social Security benefits is taxable to Sean? Okay, so let's slide down. We'll take it this far. First, he has dividend income of $12,650 and interest income of $2,160. So his adjusted gross income, if he doesn't sell the stock, is $14,810, and none of his Social Security benefits would be taxed. Okay, now, if we consider dividend income and interest income and the gain on the sale of the stock, and then we have to add in 1/2 of the Social Security benefits, we come up with a provisional tax of $29,450. Now, from there, we're going to subtract what I call the ceiling, the $25,000 amount, and we come up with a provisional tax less ceiling. Now, because his provisional income exceeds the lower limit, his Social Security benefits will be taxed at the extent of the lesser of 50% of the benefits or 50% of the excess of provisional income over $25,000. So if we slide on down a little more, we can see we're going to compare the provisional tax 1/2, $4,310 versus the $2,220. It's the lesser amount that is the amount he will be taxed. So the answer to the question here, what amount of Social Security benefit is taxable to Sean? It's the $2,220. Okay, one last thing to keep in mind. Since the sales opportunity takes place at the end of the year, he could consider selling half the stock in 2018 and the other half on the first available trading date in 2019. By doing this, he's going to stay under the limits. In other words, he would record a $5,160 gain in 2018, and that won't cause any Social Security benefits to be taxed because his provisional income would only be $24,280. And then in 2019, if his Social Security benefits remain at $8,620, his dividend income of $11,570, which would be the $12,650 minus the $1,080, and his interest income of $3,740, which would be $2,160 plus $1,580. Remember, he's selling half in the prior year, half now. Then the taxable Social Security benefits would be zero. Okay, now to really understand this, it probably makes sense if you actually run the numbers and do the calculations.